This video will show you how I remodeled my garage. The outside walls did not have any drywall. That's how it was when we moved in, and I didn't like that, so I wanted to finish it as fast as I can, but it did take me about over a month to do it, everything slowly by myself. I installed the insulation on the outside walls. The walls that were touching the house and the ceiling were almost finished. They did drywall and they mudded it one time, only once, so I had to do everything after that. But the outside walls I had to do everything from scratch. I had never done that, and this was a chance for me to learn a little bit about drywalling and mudding. It was very hard, and I had a hard time putting everything in, but I had to finish it. So I'm showing you what I did with the walls, and then later I will install a ceiling fan. People don't usually install fans in the garage, but it's during summer, it's really hot there, and it helps with the light breeze. So I went ahead and installed a fan and a light on the other side of the ceiling. One side of the ceiling I did some testing, and I used drywall mud to get some texture, and I used a trowel for that, and it turned out really nice. I bought some garage cabinets from Newage, which turned out to be really nice, and you will see that at the end of the video what that looks like. I used yellow color for the walls, which matches the outside color of the house, so when you open up the garage it looks really nice. There are two stairs at the entrance from the garage to the inside, and I applied ceramic tiles there. There is water outlet there, and sometimes it will get wet, and this way it looks nicer. The only thing that's left, I should probably do something with the floor, but maybe later sometime when I decide what to do there. So this is it from me, and enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any comments, please let me know. It would be nice if you would subscribe to the channel. I hope once I get time I will upload more videos. Thank you very much.